UGC ads has been the best performing ads across all social media platforms for a very long time now. Not polished brand videos, not studio shoots, just real people talking about real products. And brands are paying creators anywhere between $100 to $500 per video, and sometimes even more. And here is the problem nobody talks about. Finding the right creators takes time. Briefing them takes time. Waiting for revisions takes time. And half of the time, if not even more, the video comes back and it's not that good. So basically, you paid for nothing. Well, that's changing because AI now can create UGC style videos in minutes. Real looking avatars with natural voiceovers and script built to stop the scroll. No filming, no creators, no waiting. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create UGC videos using a tool called CreateUGC. And I'm going to show you the full workflow from start to finish. So let's get into it. Now, there are a lot of AI tools that can do this, but most of them will require you to prompt, edit, and stitch the clips together. It becomes a whole production just to create one ad. The tool we are going to use in this video removes all of that. Literally, you don't need to prompt at all. You just need to paste your product link, pick an avatar, pick a script, and click on generate. And that's it. And you can start using CreateUGC for free. They offer 3 days free trial with 3 videos. You will find the link of this tool below in the description. The first 20 people who subscribe through that link will get 20% off. And by the way, I forgot to tell you that you can even add your own avatar and your own voice and create UGC content with them. I use this tool to create more than 50 videos in under an hour, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do the same. Not only that, I will also show you how you can create product images using their assets feature, in addition to few extra features that will make this tool worth keeping. By the end of this, you will have everything you need in order to start creating UGC ads without filming a single second of footage. I'm going to use a real product. This is the primer from Luga Cosmetics, a real product from a real brand. The process is simple. Go to CreateUGC, you will find the link below in the description. Sign up, create an account, and you are ready. In order to generate your first UGC video, you click on Create a New Video, and as you can see, you need to choose between the 3 different options. I will go with Product in Hand because it's the most realistic one, in my opinion. In here, you can choose the AI model that's going to generate your video. I will go with either of these 3 options for the highest quality. Then you click on Continue. Now all you need to do is to paste your product URL, click Continue. As you can see, the AI pulls the product name, description, and images automatically. I don't need to do anything. All I need to do is to select the image that I want to use. I would go with this one because it works for this type of videos. Then I will click on Next. In here, I can choose my video settings. For the platform, I will keep it general. For the aspect ratio as well, but you can go with this one if you are creating something for YouTube ads. In here, you select the language. I will keep it as English, but as you can see, they have a large library of languages in here. Finally, you choose the duration. I will go with 15 seconds and click on Next. In this step, I need to pick my avatar, and this is where it gets interesting. I can filter by gender or ethnicity. So in here, I will go with female. And under ethnicity, you will see all of these options to choose from. You can pick whatever works for your brand. In here, you will find a large library of avatars. All you need to do is to pick one that works for you. And it's better if the avatar is shooting in a location or in a room that makes sense to your brand. So if you are creating an ad for a makeup product, like in my example, it's better if the avatar is in her bedroom or in her toilet, for example. I can go with something like this, or if I browse more, I might have better option like this one, for example. Let's see what else do we have. I will go with this one, for example. It seems nice. I will click on Next. At this step, I need to select the voice. By default, each avatar comes with a default voice for it, but you can scroll and explore more options. When you want to preview a voice, all you need to do is to click on play and you listen to it, and if it works, you keep it or you deselect it if you wish. Then you click on Next. And now the tool will be generating the script. And this is the script. As you can see in here, we have 3 options: funny, selling, and professional. You can see that the script changes between these different tones. You can keep any of them. You can modify in here, insert pauses. It's really up to you. Once you are okay with the script, you click on Next. And now you just need to click on Generate and the video will be generated. And you can see the progress in here, and once it is done, you can preview it.
Tired of makeup disappearing by lunch? Our award-winning primed and plumped organic face primer is flying off shelves. Get flawless all-day wear with skincare benefits, no silico. Don't miss out, shop now for perfection.
This is one video. Now imagine doing this 50 times. 50 different hooks, angles, avatars, all tested without spending $1 on a creator. Now one more thing on the video side. With this tool, you can create a UGC ad using your own face or any face you want, as long as you have the right to use it. The steps are exactly the same. The only difference is that instead of choosing from the library, you click Add your own avatar, upload a photo of yourself, and just make sure it's high resolution and the face is clear. Then you need to pick your voice. You can filter by gender and language, and the language options are impressive. So if your audience speaks French, Arabic, Spanish, you are always covered. There is also a voice note option, so you can listen before you comment. Take your time here and make sure to pick a voice that suits your avatar. And if you want to take this further, you can add your own voice, so the avatar will look like you and also sounds like you. Next, you hit generate and CreateUGC is going to create a video with your own avatar.
This cream hydrates, firms, and visibly reduces wrinkles. My skin looks healthier. Definitely worth trying for lasting results.
And once your video is created, you can even make it better by adding B-rolls. In order to do that, go to your projects, click edit on any video, upload your assets, and add your B-roll footage. Then regenerate. You will have the same avatar, the same script, but with more visuals. Now let me show you the assets feature, and this is where you create product images. And it's powered by Nano Banana, one of the best AI image models out there right now. Here you have two options. You can enter a text prompt and generate from scratch, or you can upload an image and combine it with a prompt, which is what I'm going to do. I upload my product image, then I need to write a rough prompt. Nothing fancy, just a basic description of what I want. The AI takes your draft prompt and improves it automatically. Then it generates a professional product image for you. No photographer, no studio, no editing. Now one last thing you can also use in this tool, it is the inspirations section. This is a section inside CreateUGC where you can browse high-performing videos from different social media platforms. Use it to find hooks that already work, format that converts, and styles that fit your brand. That's everything. One tool that combines UGC videos, product images, your own avatar with your own voice, all without filming any single second. If you want to try CreateUGC for free, the link is below in the description. The first 20 people who subscribe through that link will get 20% off. And remember, you get 3 days free trial and 3 videos to test it out yourself. Thank you so much for watching this video and for staying up until the end. If you liked this video and you found it valuable, please don't forget to smash the like button, to subscribe to my channel, and to hit the notification bell, because in this way you will get notified every time I publish a new video. I share practical tools and strategies for e-commerce brand owners every single week. So see you in the next video.